Welcome to the Valley Center High School lunch announcements. Stay tuned for the latest updates from around campus. Mark your calendars. Picture Day is coming up on Thursday, August 27th. Don't miss your chance to order the 2026-2027 yearbook. You can personalize your cover and order online by September 18th for $40. Athletes, remember that your physicals must be submitted through Bound before practices begin on August 17th. Check the listed dates for upcoming meetings and events. Season passes for all home athletic events are on sale now. Check the pricing for families, adults, and students. Join us for the Fall Sports Preview on August 27th at the District Stadium. Admission is a case of water to support our athletics program. Here is the daily bell schedule for Valley Center High School, including lunchtimes for both sessions. A quick look at our campus facilities. Check out this month's meal calendar. Please remember that food service operates on a prepay system. Remember to order your 2027 yearbook online at jostens.com. If you see something, say something. Submit anonymous tips through the P3 Tips app or on the school district website. Our counseling team is here to support you. Contact your counselor according to the alphabet breakdown shown. Meet our office staff. These team members are here to assist with front office needs, attendance, bookkeeping, athletics, and nursing services. Ms. Grantham is our college and career advisor. You can find her in room A16 to discuss college planning, workforce entry, financial aid, or to schedule tours and site visits.